musikad, tuwad, cebollino or bunching onion, pako or edible fern, garlic and ginger, coconut milk. Good evening mga kasangkayan mo pa nga gabi yung tanan. So we are going to cook our sura or ulam ngayong gabi. As you can see, we have here two kinds of shellfish na kinuha lang natin sa dagat. Syempre, malapit lang tayo sa dagat. We have musikad and this one is we call this in waray-waray as tuwad. So I just don't know the Tagalog or the English term, specific names of the shellfish, pero ito tuwad to in waray-waray. So gintibtiban na ito nito makatapusan para masayon it pagsup sa punina. And we have here pako or edible fern na kinuha lang namin doon sa farm, simple sa gilid-gilid, because we can have this for free dito sa probinsya. And also we have bunching onions, galing to sa aking sariling tanim din na patid ko dito sa aking malapit lang dito sa bahay. And we have here garlic and ginger, and also we have thick coconut milk and isa naman and medyo ikaduhan na inya nga pinugan. So I think I don't need to show you kung paano to lulutuin kasi I have an idea na you already know what the finished product will look like. So igisa lang natin yung sibuyas, bawang at at ginger, tapos paghalo-haloin na lahat ng ingredients na to. And I know you have in your mind kung ano yung itsura ng ating magiging ulam tonight. So ito yung kasarapan sa probinsya, magkakaroon ka ng ulam na libre lahat, pati yung mga shellfish kung malapit ka sa dagat, and also yung mga pangsahog kung may sarili kayong garden.